everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final presentation assembly of the year. As you can see, it's reception presentation assembly, and it's Friday the 15th of July 2022, which is to celebrate all those children who've been amazing in reception throughout this year. As well as that, at the end, there are 2 Child of the Year videos to watch as well, where both Ms. McTavish and Miss Ruffle have had to select one child who's been amazing throughout the year. But we'll watch those videos at the end and see who those children are, those amazing children. But let's start with some other amazing children who've earned themselves certificates through this term and this year. Let's start with look at these physical development, look at these PE stuff. These guys are physically active every single day. They are non-stop, look at them. Isla, big thumbs up as well from Mr. Allen. So we've got Mikey, we've got Isla, we've got Dimitri, we've got Seema, we've got Zachariah, and we've got Jensen. Look at these guys, look. They look fit, don't they? But they are so physically active, so well coordinated. Well done, guys. Massive thumbs up from Mr. Allen. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. You absolute superstars. Well done. Moving on. And Miss Ruffle's phonics stars. Now these guys have been working so hard on their phonics to help with their reading and then help with their writing. They've been amazing, not only this term, but all year. So we've got Sebastian, we've got Aiden, we've got Josiah, we've got Nafi, Amelia, Katie, and Beatrice. Look at these guys, look again, those massive smiles. Yeah, you're making me smile, guys. Well done. You guys have earned yourselves your phonics star certificate from reception. So well done. Get ready for year 1. So really well done. Enjoy taking those home with you today, you absolute superstars. Next, we have Miss Ruffles. Look at these, understanding the world. These guys are so bright. They've got such brilliant general knowledge, and they're always asking questions and putting their hand up to share their ideas. So who we've got? We've got Hannah, we've got Elliot, we've got Ruby, we've got Theo, we've got Oliver, and we've got Willow. Again, look at those beautiful smiles, guys. Really well done. Huge congratulations, guys. Keep being inquisitive. Keep asking lots of questions, because it is amazing. It will just help you learn. So really well done. Enjoy taking those certificates home with you today, you superstars. On to Miss Ruffle's maths. Look at these mathematicians. You can see they are mathematicians. Look at them. Those numbers are whirring in their brains as we speak. Look, so we've got Cody, we've got Helen, we've got Lola, we've got Archie, we've got Alicia, we've got Rowan, and we've got Xavier. Look at the smiles on their faces. They should be smiling. Why should they smile? They've just won themselves on maths star certificates. You superstars, keep up that maths over the summer holidays. Keep working hard on your maths. Keep doing all that counting. Really well done, guys, because get ready for year 1. Congratulations. Next, we've got Miss Ruffle's reading stars. Now these guys have been reading, and I know full well because Nella, she's on to her 3rd reading record. I've been filling in her reading record. She's been amazing. So it's absolutely brilliant. So we've got Logan, Arabella, and Armandas, who are absolutely amazing readers, and they're always reading. Armandas as well likes reading to the class. It's amazing. So well done, guys. Massive Logan, massive thumbs up. Well done, Arabella. You absolute superstars, and well done, Nella. Not only will you be getting your reading certificate, you'll be getting a reading book to take home as well. So enjoy that over the summer holidays. So well done, guys. On to, here we go, Miss McTavish's class now. Look at these guys, understanding the world. These are the really inquisitive ones, the ones asking lots of questions, answering lots of questions as well. So we've got Amelia, we've got Letty, we've got Phoenix, we've got Alice, Zachariah, and Ruben. Look at those guys. Again, massive smiles on their faces, because they should be smiling because they've just won themselves a presentation certificate. So well done, guys. Enjoy taking them home with you today. On to Miss McTavish's. Look at these maths stuff. Look at these mathematicians. Look at Quinn. Look at him. How proud is he? Amazing. So we've got Quinn, and we've got Helen, we've got Sunila, we've got Alfie, we've got Myers, Jack, and Gretel. Well done, guys. Look at those smiles. Look at the smiles on their faces. They should be smiling. Look, they absolutely should, because they're mathematics stars, and they've just earned themselves their certificate. So really well done. Enjoy taking those home today, because you are making me smile. Well done. On to Miss McTavish's reading stars. Now these are guys reading every single day and completing their reading records as well. So we've got Elijah, we've got Hayden, we've got Vienna, and we've got Arafat. Well done, guys. Keep up that reading. As I said previously, not only will you be taking a certificate, you'll be taking a reading book home with you as well to read over the summer holidays. So congratulations, guys. Well done. On to our next set of phonics stars. Now these guys have been working so hard on their phonics, which is helping with their reading and helping with their writing. Look at this. We've got Bassam, we've got Mary, we've got Bella, we've got Theo, Simon, Archie, and Leah. Look at these guys, our phonics stars. They're working so hard on their phonics. Keep that up as well, please, over the summer, because it'll help with your reading and it will help with your writing. Take those certificates home, put them somewhere really proud, because you are amazing at your phonics. So well done. Moving on. Here we go, look, look at these guys. You can see they're physically active, see how fit they are, look at them. You just see it in their faces. Even Max, look how grubby he is. Hey, it's amazing down at Forest School. So we've got Max, we've got Darby, we've got Ziggy, Lily Rose, Rafaela, and Kobe Ray. Look at these guys. They are smiling, they are physically active, and they are every single day. And keep that up over the summer. Keep getting fitter and fitter, because you'll be brilliant then when you get to year 1. So well done, guys. Right, here we go. Look, here it is. As I mentioned right at the beginning, Reception Child of the Year. We've got 2 videos now. So Mick McTavish and Miss Ruffle have put together some videos about the Child of the Year, who has been brilliant at all of those things. So all of those certificates you have seen, these children have been amazing throughout. So we'll look at each one, and I'll say a little bit about each child when we come to the end. So watch these videos now.
Welcome to Penguin Class. We have had the most fantastic year in Penguin Class, and I have loved seeing how every one of you has grown. It's been really hard to choose a Child of the Year for Penguin Class because you have all been so fantastic. We have had so much fun over our first year at school and our year in Penguin Class. We've had lots of Friday discos and dancing, lots of playing, and lots of learning inside and outside. So what has made our winner of Child of the Year the Child of the Year? The person who has won Child of the Year has made some fantastic friendships in class, and it is always wonderful to see them having so much fun playing with their friends. They have a fantastic smile, and it always brightens everybody's day when they see it. This person has made brilliant progress in their learning and with coming to school, even if they found things tricky at the start of the year. It is wonderful to see how polite they are, and they always use their manners to say please and thank you. Let's have a listen and see what some of the people in reception have to say.
This child always greets me with the biggest smile in the mornings, so congratulations to you. Well done.
I am really proud of how confident this child has become this year.
This child is always really cheerful, and I love seeing her play with her friends in the classroom.
This child greets me every morning with a lovely smile and a lovely hello. It's been a pleasure to see how far this child has grown.
She do good stuff. I like when she laughs. I like when she plays with me. I like when she plays with me. Running around with her.
This child has won our Child of the Year as they have made the most fantastic progress since September. They don't always find everything easy, but you can always guarantee that this child tries their best. They have the most fantastic smile that brightens everybody's days, and it's so wonderful to see how happy they are playing and learning in the classroom. I'm very proud of this child and hope they're proud of themselves too. Our Child of the Year is Helen!
Helen, yes, well done, Helen. What an amazing reception year you have had. It has been phenomenal. You've made so much progress. Look at that. What a massive, massive smile. You absolute super. You really, really do deserve this. So I'm really proud of you, and I know Mum's going to be here as well. So really well done. Huge congratulations on getting Miss McTavish's Child of the Year. And you'll have a little shield and a certificate as well to take home with you, you superstar. Well done, and really well deserved. Look at that beautiful smile. You're just making me smile. So really, really well done. Right, let's move on to, look, Miss Ruffles now. So we're off to Miss Ruffles' Child of the Year. So watch this little video now.
This child has really grown in confidence this year.
Good at playing, sharing, and doing maths. And playing with me, and following me, and doing anything stuff with me. I need to get to the for when she draws pictures for me.
She's always happy, has a nice smile on the face.
When she played backgammon with me, she was calm when we played backgammon with me. Good at making friends.
This person has worked really hard in phonics this year. Well done.
This child's helped me all through the year with my spellings and my numbers. Thank you and well done.
Really good at drawing. I'm a person from Peter Rabbit called Mr. McGregor. I like her drawings. I like her doing art. Crocodile, don't forget to she's good. She shares. She's my best friend and she's good at reading.
This child has gained in confidence so much throughout the year, and it's been amazing to see how hard they've worked.
I like playing with the park with her. Let me play with her and wearing with me. She's amazing!
Katie, look at that. Oh, you absolutely beautiful girl. You are amazing, as you heard. But all of those children as well, not only the teachers, but the children think you are amazing. I think you are amazing. You are Miss Ruffles' Child of the Year. So really, really well done. Well deserved. Look at that as well. Look, beautiful hug there. You absolute superstar. I am so proud of you. Mummy and Daddy are going to be as well. So really well done. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking, you'll have a shield and a certificate to take home with you as well. But you have had just the most amazing reception year. So really well done. And continue that on into year one. You superstar. Well done. Right, you superstar. Here we are, look. School closes for summer holidays on Tuesday the 19th of July 20 at 3:15. Yes, we are there. So next week on Tuesday, school closes ready for the summer holidays, and we close on Tuesday at 3:15. So look forward to it. We've got lots of things to look forward to as well. On Monday we've got the dinosaur park trip, and then on Tuesday as well, lots and lots of really fun things happening in school as well. So that's when we will be closing at 3:15. Look, but we're back. So date for your diary, parents, please look. Not all schools are, so please be aware we are. Monday the 5th of September 2022, gates will be open at 8:30. So other schools you'll see around are not open on there. We absolutely are. We've got our inset days previously in the previous week, so we will be in on Monday the 5th of September 2022. Listen guys, have a wonderful and very safe summer holidays, and we'll see you all then on that Monday, nice and early at 8:30 on the 5th of September. Until then, bye-bye now.